Hello, dear students. A warm wishes to all of you. I am Trupti Rajamanya, Assistant Professor, Dayanand Institute of Pharmacy, Latur. Today, we are going to study what is thiazole, different methods of synthesis of thiazole, chemical reactions of thiazole, and medicinal uses of thiazole. Thiazole is a 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compound having sulfur and nitrogen at 1 and 3 position. Look at the structure. Sulfur is present at position 1 while nitrogen is present at position 5. Numbering must be started from atom sulfur while giving least possible number to nitrogen. It is a colorless liquid having boiling point 117 degrees Celsius. It has pyridine-like odor. It is a weak base and miscible with water and organic solvents. Partially reduced thiazoles are called thiazolines. 3 different types are possible depending on position of double bond. These are 2-thiazoline, 3-thiazoline and 4-thiazoline. The number 2 indicates position of a single bond in the ring. Remaining all atoms of the ring are completely saturated. Same is the case with 3-thiazoline and 4-thiazoline. The number 3 and 4 suggest position of single double bond in the ring. We can see different methods of synthesis of thiazole. First method of synthesis is Hunch synthesis. It is a most common method and old method for the preparation of thiazoles. An alpha haloketone is reacted with thiamide and thiourea. Let's see example. Chloroacetaldehyde, if it is heated with thioformamide, yields thiazole. The yield is 21%. Mechanism. Possible mechanism could involve stepwise elimination of water and hydrogen chloride as depicted below. CO bond of carbonyl group is cleaved first of all during this process. See the reaction here. Upon CO bond cleavage, the carbon get attached to nitrogen of thioformamide, which on removal of one water molecule gives a partially cyclic intermediate. This partially cyclic intermediate further rearranges to give thiazole. Thiazoles can be synthesized from alpha thiocyanoketones. Alpha halocarbonyl compound and metal thiocyanate reacts to give alpha thiocyanoketone, which cyclizes on treatment with acids. Let's see the example. Alpha chloroacetone and sodium thiocyanate react to yield 2-hydroxy-4-methyl-thiazole. Look at the reaction. How alpha chloroacetone and sodium thiocyanate reacts to give 2-hydroxy-4-methyl-thiazole. During this process, one NaCl molecule and one water molecule is eliminated. Thiazoles can be synthesized from thioamides. Thiazole derivatives can be obtained by reacting thioamide with substituted 2-chloroxyrenes. Look at the reaction. Thioamide is getting reacted in this reaction with substituted 2-chloroxyrenes to yield substituted thiazole, that is 4-chloromethyl 2-methyl thiazole. The Gabriel synthesis is one of the important method of synthesis of thiazole derivative. It involves heating of acyl amino compounds with phosphorus pentasulfide to give thiazole derivative. This synthesis involves heating of acyl amino compound with phosphorus pentasulfide to give thiazole derivative. Look at the reaction. Carbonyl compound is attacked by phosphorus pentasulfide first and the oxygen is replaced by sulfur atom. The formed intermediate cyclizes to thiazole with loss of one water molecule. Next method of synthesis for thiazole is Cook-Heilbronn synthesis. Carbon disulfide reacts with alpha amino nitriles to yield substituted thiazole. Look at the reaction. Alpha amino nitrile reacts with carbon disulfide to yield substituted thiazole. Now let's see different chemical reactions of thiazole. First is electrophilic substitution reaction. In thiazoles, electrophilic substitution occurs at position 5. That means electrophiles are going to attach position 5 to the thiazole ring. First reaction under the heading electrophilic substitution reaction is bromination. Thiazole ring undergo bromination at 250 to 400 degrees Celsius to yield 5-bromothiazole. Next is chlorination. 2-thiazolone reacts with phosphorus pentachloride to yield 2-chlorothiazole. Thiazole undergo sulfonation in presence of mercury sulfate as a catalyst to give thiazole 5-sulfonic acid. Next is nitration reaction. Substituted thiazole undergo nitration easily. Look at the reaction. 4-alkyl thiazole with the treatment with fuming nitric acid yields 4-alkyl 5-nitrothiazole. Next category of reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Position 2 is susceptible for nucleophilic attack in case of thiazole ring. Let's see an example. Sodamide converts thiazole into 2-aminothiazole. Amino group is going to attach at position 2 as this position 2 is more prone to nucleophilic attack. See the next reaction. In this case, 2-chlorothiazole reacts with phenylamine or aniline in common name to yield 2-phenylaminothiazole. Again, the attachment of phenylamino group is taking place at position 2 as it is prone to nucleophilic attack. Thiazole can react with acids to yield salts. Thiazole on protonation with strong acids give stable crystalline salts. Now let's see medicinal uses of thiazole. We can go through this table to know about different medicinal uses of thiazole. Thiazole heterocycle is also present in many drug molecules. These drug molecules containing thiazoles can be used as antibiotic, as antifungal agent, as an anti-HIV agent, as an anti-thyroid drug and as an anti-inflammatory agent. We can see examples through this table. Thiamine, that is vitamin B1, is a vitamin supplement which contains thiazole ring. Sulfathiazole is the example of thiazole containing antibiotic. Phenetizole is anti-inflammatory agent. which also contains thiazole ring in the structure. Combendazole is an antifungal agent. Brekenavir is the example of anti-HIV agent, and aminothiazole is an anti-thyroid drug. All these drug moieties contain thiazole ring system in their structure. To summarize thiazole, I can say Hunch synthesis, Gabriel synthesis, and Cook-Heilbronn synthesis are the important methods of synthesis of thiazole. Write any 5 or 3 chemical reactions of thiazole and enlist different medicinal uses of thiazole. Such type of questions can be asked in the theory exam. Thank you.